Welcome back to the Rudder. My name's Damien. I'm here with Brad from QMC Marine and we're looking at another Sea Ray, the 320. This one is stunning to look at. Tell us a little bit about this boat.
This is the Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. There's a few different variants of this boat. You can do outboard power, twin engine. You can do inboard power. You can do a fully closed hardtop, or you can do a hardtop with half windows, so it's a bit more open. And basically the idea of this boat is it's a cruiser and a bow rider all in one. So
with a little bit of sports fishing action thrown in for good measure.
Correct, yep. If you want to dabble, drop a line over the back.
That's about all I do.
Call it a fishing boat here. But otherwise it's an entertainer in here. You've got an air-conditioned cabin and you've got an open bow section with a nice big lounge. So
so does this come with genset?
Generator, air conditioning.
So
cockpit grill.
Full teak throughout. And
yep.
So this is the hardtop variant with...
So this is, they all come with a hardtop. This one's got an opening hardtop, but it's full glass. So you can also do half glass, just a normal.
Oh, okay. Yep.
Down here. So this is open.
Oh, look at this helm seat with a
joystick control.
Comes almost standard now, doesn't it?
So joystick, yep.
New Mercury throttle setup, twin SIMRADs, and beautiful stitching. Look at it.
Yeah.
It is the entertainer. So we've got
fridge and grill there. This isn't actually your air
conditioning vents.
This isn't actually a Sea Ray option. This is something that we did for the client specifically, because there'd normally be a seat there. Otherwise, it's a nice big,
plenty of room.
Tea table, just a great entertainer.
And
then you got the side walk-through up to the bow.
And so your passenger seat can, for transiting or to join the party.
Yep. And then an easy walk-through up to the bow.
Ooh. Such a lovely day here today. And for the comfy class.
We also do a big shade.
Oh, yep. So you've got some holes here.
Yep.
So you can put the shade in. Should give you
shade comes straight out over the top here.
And that Sea Ray stitching throughout, and there's the glass door so you can be all enclosed when you need it to be, if the weather turns foul like it is today. And
down there, or
yeah. So
downstairs
you've got a bow cab, which is set up with the table at the minute.
Yep. So you've got a table here. This can actually convert to a full bed.
Yep.
This is on a
hydraulic pedestal.
Yep. It can drop down.
Head with shower.
Yep.
And you can see those air conditioning vents all the way throughout on those nice Queensland summer days, and then a mid cab underneath.
Yep.
With that's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite a large bed.
And there's a TV stuck in there.
That can be two single beds, or it can be one big bed.
That'd be queen size, wouldn't it?
Probably bigger.
Yeah. And what's the beam on this one?
3.2 metres.
Yeah, so is that another fridge?
Yep.
And a little microwave there, but as I said, most of the cooking would be done outside in that outside galley. Thank you very much for the crew here at QMC Marine for having us walk through on this Sea Ray. If you enjoyed that, please like and subscribe, and if you want to have a look at the Sea Rays, check out QMC Marine.